Okay, this is the very first, as you're walking in, it's the slider there. And then we're going to walk in. This is the living room. By the big windows. He left the bar light. Shut the door. There's a little closet here. His wife left the cleaning supplies, I guess. It was nice of her. Anyway, that's the living room. Walking in. So this is the dining room area, I would call it. I mean, I would put a little table and chair here in this space. It's a pretty large space. Anyway, walking into the kitchen, they have a corner cabinet there. And then, of course, the kitchen is right there. So, walking in, you've got your refrigerator. Cabinets up above. Let me stand back. This recorder just, it's just not the greatest for, like, takes distant shots, but refrigerator. Then you can see the, like, island. Living room over there. Door with the washer, dryer. Entrance into the bedroom. And here's another living room. And that first door there goes into the spare bedroom. The second door goes into the master bedroom. And here's some French doors. I'm going to walk through the French doors. And this is all cement with actual tile on the flooring. It's real stuff. With some more sliders to the outdoor screen porch, as you saw. Just pull it back. Needs to be swept up. But it's pretty nice. Pretty nice room. There's okay, we got French doors, a slider here. And then when you walk into this room, this is the craft room. There's the light. This is the other room. So there's 1, 2, 3 rooms. Lots of shelving. Its own air conditioner up there. So if I back up, so you can see the full room, you can see it better. They don't take these type of shots from the thing. So you got a slider, extra room, turning around, and there's the French doors going back into the living room. And there you have it.